Okay. So we decided to make it more comfortable for us and maybe for you as well. And rather than make a stale interview with everybody speaking and nobody knowing who the question was asked by, we're just going to speak directly, well, not into you, but into the camera. So I hope you enjoy this short conversation with Jesus. Sorry.
With Jesus?
No.
With Jesus. What is this?
we may even touch upon Jesus.
Okay, we may.
We may.
My name is Arthur Fournier, and
I'm Raphael Koenig.
Raphael Koenig, and we're collaborating on a project for the 33rd Biennial Graphic Art in Ljubljana. And we're very happy to be here. We're excited about the topic, which is caricature and satire. Crack up, like laughter, and crack down, like you're going to disappear, man. Keep doing that. So we decided to produce an exhibition called No More Fuchs Left to Give, which, as we were trying to explain earlier, is a reference to this statement that circulates in the kind of popular nihilist consciousness of social media space and the meme world, meaning no more personal, moral, social, or financial investment in something that doesn't touch you because you don't give a fuck, right?
I can say that word.
We'll say we don't give a
It's
fuck.
not American TV. We can
So
Quite liberal here.
so frankly, so we're referencing this statement, no more fucks left to give, but we're shifting it slightly because we're talking about Edvard Fuchs, who was a German critic, collector, and publisher who was active from the turn of the century through the 1930s in Germany. And he was a Marxist. He was deeply involved with the Communist Party, and he was kind of at the center of a critical nexus of thinkers and philosophers in Berlin at the time. But, for our purposes, Edvard Fuchs kind of represents a different channel of thought that is invested, that is morally and critically invested in culture and the production and circulation of images.
That's right. So basically what we're saying is, like, in times when it looks like nobody has like any fucks left to give, like we have one fuchs to propose for like our viewers' consideration.
Yeah, so we propose that you give one fuck about Edvard Fuchs.